All right. Namaskar, guys. My name is Rohit, and today we have a very special session coming up. It's called Doodle Jugalbandi, and that's what we're gonna do. So we're waiting for people to join us, and then we're gonna start our session again. So I'm gonna wait for Astha to join me so that we can start off our session for today. And I hope you guys can hear my voice loud and clear and fine. So thank you for joining me back, guys. This is our Doodle Jugarbandi session, and we are going to do something really cool today. So I request all of you to have some patience, and then what you're gonna do is see something really exciting. So today in Doodle Jugalbandi we have with us Astha from Rangsang, and she is a kalamkari artist, and she is really good with it. So we're gonna combine doodling with kalamkari and see what we can do today. So I'm gonna join with Astha from Rangsang for Doodle Jugalbandi, Doodle Kalamkari today. Guys, feel free to ask the questions in this section, in this live that we have. Hi, welcome back, Astha. How are you?
Good to be here again.
Great. So we talked about two things. One is what kalamkari and how you started, and the second one is the tools that you use. Now the third question is, and I understand people can use any of like pens which they can use for doodling for kalamkari as well, and they can also do it on any paper or any product as well, right?
Yeah, they can. Any paper, handmade sheet. I do it on plates, terracotta plates.
Great. Great. So what I'm going to do now is move on to the most exciting section of this session. Is we're going to do something together. We're going to flip our screens, guys, and you guys can see us doodling and doing kalamkari together. Feel free to ask your questions. We will keep taking your questions and then try to answer that. So if it's start to doodling, it can be answered by me. If it's related to kalamkari, Astha will be the best person to answer that.
Yeah.
So are you guys excited? Let's give some thumbs up, give some cheer, guys, because now we're going into the doing part of this workshop, which is grabbing some papers, making sure we have our setup ready. And now I'm gonna flip my camera and I'll see you my sketchbook. Okay. So Astha, go ahead and please.
Yeah, I will just flip my
show
camera.
your yes. Great. And by the way, guys, the Indian music will be in the background, so feel free to.
So let me know if my sheet is. Rohit, you'll have to guide me if my sheet is.
All right, so guys, I'm gonna put my sheet here, and this is my setup. All right. So I think, Astha, if you can just zoom in a bit into your sheet, you will only have the white, like I have on my screen.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. I can increase and decrease the light if you want. So here I am. Great. So let's start our session, guys. It's called Doodle Jugalbandi, and the idea of this session is two artists coming together and creating something for you guys. So, Astha, to start off with, I want to basically understand the basics of kalamkari like anyone else. So, can you like just make like let's say two small circles? Let's start with those, and then you can make some patterns in that, the most basic patterns, to tell people what the basic kalamkari patterns look like. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make two circles here like this, and pardon my pen.
So
I'm gonna grab a new pen, guys. Yes. Okay.
is my second circle
Great. So
visible?
that's how I made two circles here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I really like how our circles are very imperfect.
Yeah.
I think that's the
So
best part about sketching. Okay.
yeah.
So let's start.
So usually kalamkari
So I'm gonna
uses
make.
a lot of circular patterns also, and
Mhm.
इसमें ये ज़्यादातर floral flowers को भी use करते हैं, and मैं आपको बहुत दो basic patterns दिखाती हूँ बना के. They're not very complex.
So I also make a lot of floral patterns in my doodling as well, but
Yeah.
mine is not as detailed as yours. Like it's not as
Yeah.
kalamkari as yours. They're very doodly. So kalamkari sounds very Indian to me. It sounds that it's a very Indian traditional art form.
It also has a Persian influence because kalamkari, अगर आप देखें तो kalam and kari is also this is a Persian word also. So this goes back to a very ancient time when India had trade relations with Persia, and so there was a lot of cultural exchange. तो उस टाइम पे बिकॉज हमारा पोर्ट था तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश पे, तो वहाँ से इट्स देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस. ज़्यादा डिटेल्स तो मुझे नहीं पता, बट व्हाट आई स्टडीड इज दिस, एंड सो दिस इज वेयर इट इज प्रैक्टिस्ड मोर इन आंध्र प्रदेश. तो कलम हो गया हमारा, पेन, और कारी हो गया उसका जो वर्क होता है, द वर्कमैनशिप. तो दैट इज देयर. यस.
Oh, that's interesting.
और अब तो obviously it has gone global with our prints. Most designers, most outside India, they are also using these traditional prints that we have. And there's a sort of kalamkari. Yeah. So there's another version of kalamkari. I was saying to Gujarat mein. Sorry, I cut. आप बोलो.
No problem. So I see one of the things that I like. I'm little what do you say? Like I have apprehension about is like doodling is a very free flowing art. Like I just make anything in doodling that comes to my mind. While kalamkari, when I see the patterns which looks like they're very thoughtful, they're very thought of. So how do you do that? Like, is it pre-planned that you plan पहले से कि क्या बनाना है, or you just go ahead with your flow?
No, I go ahead with my flow. So this is my take. You can say a modern take on kalamkari, because traditionally क्या होता है कि उनके see everybody practices there. सबका अपना एक style होता है, but then it's mostly similar. मतलब if they're making a tree or if they're making a bird, they look similar. And but मेरे साथ ये कि whatever comes to me, so it's also like a doodling kind of a thing that I'm doing with kalamkari. So whatever is coming to me, I just let it flow. So it doesn't have to be in the way traditionally a peacock is made or traditionally the flower is made. मैं inspiration लेती हूँ, but then I make my own style out of it. So these are two circular basic patterns of you can say kalamkari, which normally is seen. Especially this one, अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये वाला bedsheet पे और on cloth. This one that I'm right now making is very, 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 very common.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, this one. This is a very common pattern.
So I really like the one that you have done here, Astha. Can you also do some in the triangle form as well?
Absolutely, why not?
Because I think I've seen some of the ones in triangle and they look absolutely perfect.
So again, I am doing my take on this. So let me try how it would look.
So people who have joined us now, just to give you an idea, we are doing the warm-up right now, where we are started off with the basics of basics of doodling and basics of kalamkari, and then we're going to combine the two art forms towards the end. All right. Today I'd like gone into this mode of full kalamkari only. I'm like listening to the Indian music. I have agarbatti in my room. I wore a kurta. So my doodles are also becoming little kalamkari today.
So yes, kalamkari can be made modern. I don't know if doodling can be done, in traditional art. So that's the
Yeah,
interesting
so
part.
doodling is more about free flowing art, yes, and
Yeah.
that's what I like about it. But I think even kalamkari has this amazing motifs, which I have
Yeah.
seen that could be incorporated in doodling as well. So I'm gonna make
Absolutely.
some
See, I'm
with a
using your triangles that you use now in doodling mostly.
yes, and I think in my workshops as well, I keep telling the people that everything starts with the very basics of shapes which they can use, and
Yeah.
that goes for kalamkari as well. Okay, so I made some two very quick circles. Now I'm gonna
Yeah.
make something in a triangle as well,
So
so
that's
that
my
I won't
triangle.
lag behind.
And that's
That
one
doodling
triangle
don't
done.
lag behind with kalamkari.
And
Okay, I think
and
my favorite one to do in triangle is to basically just make a triangle and make three curves like this, and then just make some lines. So the best thing about doodling is it can be a combination of geometric figures plus free flowing figures, like straight lines, circles, or it could be something random as a line like this as well. So that's the best thing about doodle warm up.
so that's another
Okay,
triangle
let's
word.
also do a bit of oval. So I'm going to turn off the comments for some time, guys, so that you can have a look what Asta is doing, and then we'll be back. All right. So Asta, you have to just speak a little bit louder when you speak, so that I can
Okay.
hear you well.
Is this
Yes.
fine? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, this is perfect. And
Okay.
yes, I can. And I
So
hope you
Rohit,
can also
that's
hear me
my
fine.
two triangles done.
Oh wow. I'm trying to catch up on doodling.
I thought I would be the one who would be struggling right now because doodling is usually faster.
Today I'm trying traditional doodling, so it's something new for me
It's
as well.
looking really nice. Good.
So yeah, so I think this is our warm up, guys, for both of us. So what we did, Asta, if you can just show them what you have done. So we have basically taken two circles and then we have done some patterns, then triangle, and I tried something which is an oval. And then Asta can speak about hers.
Yeah, so I hope mine is visible to everyone. So what I have also done is basically made circles, kalamkari patterns in circles, which are like florals, and used a geometric shape triangle and gave my own version to it, to the kalamkari pattern, if you can see.
Got it. So this was the basics of warm up sort of session, guys. Now we're gonna open the floor, and what we're gonna do is something very exciting. We're gonna ask you guys to give us some words which we are going to make doodle or do some kalamkari art on that. So I'm going to turn on the comments, and what you guys can do is just speak of some words which comes to your mind when which you want us to do together for our session. Okay, so keep writing your words and we will start picking those words and start converting them here, either into doodling or into kalamkari. All right, cool. So let's start off with you wanna go with the first word? Asta, do you have anything in mind?
We could do probably a moon.
Moon, yeah, let's do a moon.
Yeah,
Okay,
Chand.
let's start off with a moon. I think.
Yeah. And I
Okay.
can see people commenting. So, okay.
Social distancing. Wow, that's interesting. So the best thing about doodling is that it's a little free flowing. So even if I do things which
So
are a little out of order, it looks fine. But when I see kalamkari, I'm like, oh, that looks so disciplined and serious, you know. But doodling is a little bit about having fun. Even if you get it wrong, it's okay. You can write stuff and things like
so
that.
even
But
kalamkari is
I
also like
think,
that. You can have fun while doing this as well. So that's
I
my
think that's
take on
with
my
all the art.
chant. And let's have some cloud. I
Nice.
think you've done your clouds also. मैं भी बनाऊंगी. I will also make.
I've done some birds also in the night. So,
Okay.
but that's very interesting that your moon looks like it has a face. You
Yeah.
know, it looks like a man. So why is that? Like, is there anything like that happens in kalamkari that you're supposed to make it
No,
look like human?
it's not usually like that, but generally जो हमारे traditional art forms है ना, they make things that have a life to it. Usually you will not see something which is non-living. वो हर क्योंकि there is a story to tell. So you can't depict a story if you don't put life to it, right? तो इसीलिए
Got it.
usually they will चांद सूरज के वो आंखें बनाते हैं. So because it all goes in the part of their mythology or you know the stories that they are trying to depict. इसलिए मैंने बनाया और मुझे खुद भी
हाँ, so
ऐसे
मुझे लगता
अच्छा
है
लगता है.
कलमकारी is basically a visual storytelling जो कि पहले folks जो होते थे,
हाँ.
you know, the folk tales होती थी पहले की, they
Right.
tell the story through that. So
हाँ,
you'll see faces
epics
because they're
हैं.
people, their stories.
Yeah. So there are epics, there are a lot of things, and not only kalamkari, even for that matter, madhubani है या जो भी हमारे traditional art forms हैं, they have stories to tell, especially epics. So that's
Yeah, like
my
those,
version.
you know, those old stories, yeah, which your nana nani used to tell you like that कि चांद था, चांद के नीचे झील, झील के पास princess, you know, those कहानी like राजा महारानी वाली कहानी.
Yeah, so that's my cloud. You've made birds
Okay.
also. Bird मैं
So,
actually did.
wow, that looks really nice, and
Thank you.
yeah, it looks very interesting. I really like this pattern that you do around your.
So yes, so
shapes.
this
I
is a
think
very
I'm gonna
distinctive
steal that
style.
for-
ये जो आप outline देखते हैं ना बाहर,
Okay.
this is a very distinct form of kalamkari because usually क्या होता है when they are making it on fabric or something, so they color the negative space and ये जो पूरा pattern है वो stand out हो जाता है and ये जो ये बाहर ये frills है, it gives a lot of dimension to the whole pattern. ये आपको काफी कलमकारी में दिखेगा इस तरह का. Like
Got
so
it.
yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to the next word. So I'm gonna take that word from people who are watching us right now. So guys, if there's any
Fish.
interesting word you have in mind, which you want to see, just
I can
write
see
it down here and we'll go.
there's a
Fish.
peacock.
Oh yeah,
I can
fish.
see.
Let's go ahead with fish. Fish is very interesting.
Yeah.
So you wanna go ahead with fish?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead with fish now. So guys, you wanna see a doodle fish and you wanna see a kalamkari fish, and let me know which one you vouch for. You know, so I'm sure we have people liking both the styles, and people are saying peace. Oh, peace is really good. Peace, laptop, my lamp. So Kavita, I don't know how your lamp is. Maybe we can sketch it out, send it to us. We'll see. Stars, nice. Yeah, I think fish is very interesting. So let's go ahead with fish. And
Yeah.
I'm just putting some music for my soul to get into kalamkari mode and doodling mode. And there we go.
Such a pleasure to be here tonight in this beautiful venue and performing for the first time in a long time.
So, Asai, you can put your fish little up so that people can see. It's right
Is it
now
fine
at the
now?
bottom of the page.
अभी ठीक है?
Yes, perfect. Thank you so much. So I'm going to turn on the comments now, guys, and you can have a look how the fish is coming to life.
to get to like and it's been the music that we are playing tonight comes from it's from the country that I come from. It feels very special and I welcome you tonight and I'm very grateful. We're going to begin, even though the concert also has so many Spanish influences, we're going to begin with a classical Indian piece that I composed in an evening raga called Bhairavi.
So the fish is done. That's my fish.
Wow.
That's my moon, and
Fish
that's
looks
my
really cool.
love. Thank you.
Yeah, my fish is also done. I'm just thinking,
It's so cute.
should I make it look like human or not? So yeah, okay, let's go.
I like the
Okay,
eyes.
so this is
The
my
doodly
design,
eyes.
and then what I also do is like add a bit of elements so that
Yeah. Someone also suggested
it looks
peacock.
like it's
Oh, that's nice. It
peacock.
looks like a
Oh, peacock.
mustache.
I don't know how to draw peacock in. Okay, let's do that.
Nice.
Or maybe let's do a face and do some patterns in the face.
Okay.
Do you want to do that, Asma?
Face. Okay. Already moon में मैंने face बनाया, so maybe I can. Okay, I'll make my face. आप मैं बुद्धा बनाती हूँ.
So I'm gonna make a face of a person here.
I'll try and make Buddha because somebody also suggested peace. So face बना रहे हैं, so why not?
Okay, so I made something. I don't know. It looks like something. So I was making a face, and then I thought I'll just make it flow a bit. So I made these patterns there, and then I made some solid patterns, and then just something here, and then a fluid body. So the idea was to basically take some idea from the fish and combine it with this person. So this
Nice.
is a doodle style face, and I'll just write my name because I did on a postcard. So that's what. Now I think what I can do is also I can add some clouds at the top, just like our weather in Delhi NCR, and turn on some comments to see what you guys are saying.
So that's my Buddha done.
All right, so
face on.
Kavita saying just as lamp as we visualize cartoon character. Thank you, Ari. And yeah, we are trying to do something like different styles of making faces. And I hope you guys were able to have a look. If you like it,
Thank
guys,
you.
keep giving some hearts on the right. If you have any doubts, you can ask us in the comments. And if you have any specific doubt that you want to ask Astha, you can ask her towards the end of the session when we'll have 5 to 10 minutes of Q&A. Okay, so till then, enjoy two art styles happening together.
Yeah.
So your Buddha looks amazing, Astha. If you can also show us the vertical face of Buddha. Wow, that looks fantastic.
Thank you so much. So
I think I
was
totally love your totally love the way you do this outside. This. So I think I'm gonna apply that in my doodling as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why I'm saying it really looks nice, and there are many ways to do it. Since we are short of
Nice.
time here, I am just doing the very basic one, but there are various ways one can do this outlining. So since we made Buddha, I also thought of making, a lotus, just signifying purity.
I love the way you have made the eyes of the Buddha, and it looks like the man I have made at the top needs to go to Buddha to get some peace.
Yeah, he looks too complex in his head.
So somehow our creations complement each other. I really like.
Yeah.
So it's like the man is getting dissolved and then going to Buddha, like this. Fantastic, loved it. All right. So now, guys, we're gonna do the next section of this series, which is the fusion section. So we're gonna create something together, and we thought we'd make it more interesting for you guys. So we're gonna change the color. So we're gonna inverse it. We're not gonna do it white on black, like black pen on white. What we're gonna do is we're going to do black paper and then some colorful pens. So I think that's gonna exaggerate the effect of what we are planning to do. So just hold your horses for some time, and this is going to be my canvas for today. This is a jet black sheet of paper, and we are planning to do something which we will tell you. So this is my setup, and just waiting for Asta to set her thing, and then we're gonna do something really, really cool for you guys. Also, meanwhile, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I will love to answer that if it's related to doodling or if it's related to kalamkari. Okay, so are you guys going to record this video or share it on IGTV or something? Yes, I think the video should be there on IGTV, but if you have any questions, you can ask us now in the live section. All right, so my canvas is done. So as you can see, I've done 4 dots at the corners in my sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah,
so that just helps me
see
define my drawing.
Okay, let me also
There
do that.
you go, 3, and there is 4. Okay.
Let me also do that. I'll also
Let me
mark
make
my
one
point.
more. So there is one here, there is one here, there is
Yeah.
one here, and there is one here. So now we have the drawing section. Okay. Cool.
So
Deepti is
I
saying
have
you
also
incorporate your
marked.
doodling with Kalamkari. Deepti already taken some really nice cues from Astha about the outside pattern. I really liked it. So maybe I'm going to try something in my drawing today, making doodling combining with Kalamkari, and let's see what comes out. Okay. Cool.
Nice.
Okay, there's a question how to mingle both the modern subject and Kalamkari style. That's what we are trying to do. We're basically trying to take one subject and then extend that to make what comes out of it. It might not be a complete fusion, like it's not going to be a sugar and water, but it's going to be like, something wherein you can put something, mix it up, but it still looks good together, So it's not going to
Yeah.
fuse into each other, but it will look good together like that. It's like soft and that meatha you get after the food. It's a combination of that.
Yes. Sometimes,
So,
different
I'm going to
textures,
use,
they complement. So,
that's also true. So we are also doing it the first time, guys. So yeah, we are as excited as you to see what comes in. So I'm going to put on the music and we're going to start our work. We will keep looking at the comments as well. So if you have any comments, any questions, put it in the comment section. And till then, enjoy the show.
we are turning the comments off, right?
Yes.
That I composed in an evening raga called Bhairavi, and it's in a 6/4.
So the music is called Bhairavi from Anushka Shankar, and Astha from Rangsang, and Rohit Soni from Doodle Project.
Yeah. So, we start.
Let's start. So the colors that we are using are optional, right? So people can use any color which they want, right?
Yes, yes. अभी तो हम black पे कर रहे हैं ना, so I think white and gold was looking very nice. So otherwise white paper पे usually कलमकारी ना बहुत अच्छे bold colors use होते हैं, and since it's natural dyes, so indigo and वो जो turmeric color होता है हल्दी वाला rust, those colors are used.
So people say that it's also they use like natural colors in the textiles as well for this, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just making my doodle man a bit sanskari. So I'm giving it some Indian motifs. Just learned something from you, so I'm gonna apply that. Okay, now I'm gonna make some doodle patterns around my men, which is sort of style which I use. There we go. So I use a lot of spirals in my doodles because it sort of represents peace and also helps me fill out the space. So that I've used here. And yeah, what I'm gonna also use is a bit of my silver pen here to fill in some patterns like this. I think I'm so glad that we're using the same colors, Asta,
Yeah.
because it sort of looks very in sync.
Yeah, it just kind of complements, and somehow it just it starts making sense. It looks that he's sitting on this lotus bed, enlightened, peaceful, nothing bothering him. So lotus signifies a lot of purity. वो कमल आसन बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में. तो कमल आसन is basically क्या है, गॉड गॉडेसेस दिखाते हैं ना कमल पे बैठे हुए. So basically कमल is like what, a significant of purity. कि आसपास कीचड़ है लेकिन वो ऊपर खिला हुआ है. तो गॉड गॉडेसेस को ये दिखाया ना कि मतलब वो सब चीजों पे उठे हुए हैं, मतलब दे आर नॉट वर्ल्डली, उसमें लीन नहीं है, वो उससे उठे हुए हैं कमल कीचड़ की तरह. तो ये भी वही चीज लग रही है.
Plus, you're a graphic designer as well, so I'm sure you can also understand the meaning of visuals, how to apply that. And, that's very interesting how to combine in your kalamkari and give it a modern twist.
Yeah,
by using pens which are very.
So I'm from an advertising background, so basically मैं हर चीज का meaning भी दे सकती हूँ. Advertising में ये चीज सिखा देते हैं आपको.
And I used to be in
UX
in
design.
NIFT, so we used to do product design. So I studied product design in NIFT. So there we also used to have a lot of explanation of why we did something,
Yeah.
So that also helps me in doodling today as well.
I think if it's a computer, then every pixel that you're using, it should mean something. And if you have a pen and a paper, it again, even if it's a random doodle, if it's a mindless doodle, आपको mindful कराते हो, but then at the end of the day, it really signifies something. That's what I believe.
Yeah. That I always say in my workshop as well. Like if you made something, that means
It
it
has
signifies, even
something.
if it's a dot
Yeah,
on the paper.
absolutely.
I like that.
Has the video
All right. So we have
paused or
next
something? Yeah.
2 more minutes, Asta, to complete your art.
Okay. All right.
Or you need more time?
नहीं, I think mostly done.
Yeah.
वो तो
No, you can
intricate
take one
जितना
more
बनाना है,
minute.
then I can, that's on to me how much intricate I want to. So it's all right.
Sure.
So that's what I'm saying. ये भी doodling की तरह ही है, you can't just stop. You just keep wanting to fill something or the other. And
Yeah, I think the best
absolutely.
thing about doodling is that, there is no right or wrong. So I started off from,
Yes.
let's say, from here, and I just start moving my pen, and then I just put it into the shape, and then sort of like use two colors to make something which looks like this man who is basically sitting on top of a lotus, for example. Depending on how many patterns I want to add, I can create a lot of things there as well. So this is what I did with the help of doodling, guys. While what you see at the bottom half is the lotus made with kalamkari style. Now I did a little bit of learning, which I learned from Asta today in my doodling. Like I use the patterns which are Indian traditional motifs, and also I learned this amazing technique today, which is about using this outline circles, half circles on the outline, which makes it look amazing. So I'm gonna apply that, even though my pen is not the perfect one, but I think it'd be nice
I think
to
if I zoom out
apply
my
something.
lotus a little, or maybe like this. Yes, I think this is perfect.
Yes, so I think I'm gonna just move my drawing as well, and you can move. Just put a line to the lotus and combine and join it with my men's.
Okay, here
line.
this way, now.
You can just basically connect it through there. Yes.
I will.
Yeah. So it will basically come here, and I can put some of my golden pen here because that's what
I like to use my golden pen.
There we go, guys. And yeah, I think it looks like something. And if you basically have a very interesting look at this one, so Asta used the thick golden color to make the outlines. I used the white pen to make the outlines. She used white inside to fill the details and patterns. I used golden to fill the details and the patterns. So this is something we're trying to do in reverse mode, and we sort of made a man who is basically connected to a lotus. And yeah, this was the idea to basically combine two art forms and see how it goes. And I'm still looking at how Asta is doing it. It's just absolutely a pleasure to watch.
Thank you so much. While you were talking, I thought, let me just finish what I'm doing. So yes, we can actually leave it at that, and then I can keep filling.
Go ahead. You wanna just complete the leaf? Yeah, we can wait for that. No worries.
Okay, so just give me like 2 to 5 minutes more, then.
No problem. Meanwhile, guys, you can ask any questions if you have. I will try to speak it out to Asta, and she will answer it for you guys. So this is your best opportunity to ask anything about kalamkari, which is such a fantastic yet little known nowadays on Instagram. So go ahead and ask your questions, and I'll get it answered by Asta. Or if you have any questions for doodling, you can ask me as well. So, okay, Shweta is asking golden pen name in the doodling. I think it's called calligraphy pen, calligrapher. It's called calligrapher. It's from Sakura. So it's a Sakura brand calligrapher. Okay, like this. And the other pen I used was this one. It's a white pen from STA. It's an acrylic paint marker, and then I used a black pen for the detail. These are the tools I use, guys. But it's not about the tools. It's basically, the ideas that you can put on paper. So you can use any pen to make your doodles. Okay.
Yeah,
so the men and the lotus were pre-decided or on the spot. So I think we had some idea of we're gonna create something, just a combination of a man and probably a lotus, but this pattern and everything we have done for the first time. So this is the first time we have made
all
this.
on the spot. This is all impromptu.
Even I'm seeing it.
And we really didn't have an idea that how it will come together. Yes. I basically usually don't do this kind of doodling, but I think inspired from, from the kalamkari, the doodling also looks a bit traditional today. So that's interesting. And that's, I think, the whole point of this is jamming is that if we can inspire from each other and create something in collaboration and probably, inspire people to try something new. So guys, if you haven't tried kalamkari, do check it out. I think it'll be super fun to see how you can create something with that. I am totally gonna probably try it tonight on a doodling and see how it goes. So Rohit, and of course, if you make something, I said you are going to make and you're going to tag it on the Rangsang surely. Whatever you try.
So if you make anything, you can tag us, Doodle Project, and Rangsang, and we will repost your stories, and we'd love to see what you will create with the patterns that you have learned today. So this is doodling from Doodle Project. Below one is the kalamkari from Asta from Rangsang. So yeah, I think I just overdid this men. This was not required. Just focus on the men right here, and imagine this guy sitting on this leaf, on the leaf of the lotus, and yeah. Do you wanna put this lotus little up, Asta? Oh yeah, let's write our names. That's fine.
आप guide करो how you want me. Should I zoom out a little bit?
Just move. No, just move it up a bit. उसको थोड़ा ऊपर करो आप. नहीं मतलब मेरी साइड, दूसरी साइड. Yeah, just go up. और थोड़ा सा. हाँ, और थोड़ा सा. Exactly. And I'm gonna move my drawing here, and I think probably that's how the combination might look like, where this person is sitting on the lotus. Exactly. This is the composition, guys. Have a picture, like just take a screenshot, send it. We will love to see this as well.
Beautiful.
Great. So yeah,
amazing.
The doodling combined with kalamkari. So thank you so much for watching this. So I'm gonna have Asta with me now to answer your questions. I'm gonna turn on the comments and let's have a quick chat. All right. So that's my painting. Just look at that. All right. So
good.
We are back.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm also sweating. It's basically it's a good workout for your body as well.
Sure.
Great. So thank you so much, guys, for joining us today. And we did something called as Jugalbandi, a combination of doodling with kalamkari with Asta from Rangsa.
Yeah.
So which pens were you using? So Asta, do you want to answer that?
So I was using the basic gel pen. So I have this Uniball ka white color ka jelly pen. I have Uniball ka gel pen. So nothing fancy, guys, because I know it's basically you'll be able to access fine pens for now. So you can use your fine tip gel pen. Uniball is a very good pen for that matter. And I also use a Micron pen that I have. So that's primarily. And yes, not
Great.
to forget a Stedler
So-
golden pen.
Stedler golden pen, yes.
Yeah.
And I used, what I had with me. I think I bought it for some other purpose, but I used.
I
it
think
for
you
some-
might be having very fancy pens, Rohit.
I have a lot of pens, but I never get to use them because I end up using this pen most of the time, which is like 20 rupees Saya permanent marker, and I really like this pen because it works pretty fine, it flows pretty fine. But
Nice.
today I got to use this pen thanks to you, so I had absolutely fun, guys. How did you like the session? Write in the comments. We love to hear from you, and give your love to Astha for what she has done today. I think I was engaged when I saw those circles and the patterns coming in there, and after that it just went better and better at every.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Excellent.
So,
Yes.
I can just show
Great.
you a few of my samples also, something that I did with pen.
Great. Do you wanna show your finished do you wanna show your finished artwork once, Astha?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
This one. So this is we have done today, guys. This is the Doodleman, and that is combined with the Lotus, Kalamkari Lotus done by Astha. So this is what we did today, and we thought we were gonna do it in black, and I think that worked out pretty fine. That was a big risk we took today, but I think art is all about taking risks and trying something which you haven't tried before, right? So just taking some comments very quickly. All right. So basics of Kalamkari designs. Is any specifics or basics to keep in mind? So that's a question from Himanshi Bhatia. Is there any basics that you have to keep in mind for Kalamkari?
So there's in fact, there's nothing basic in Kalamkari. They're very, mostly सारे normal shapes से ही बनता है. So if you're making a peacock, they will use more of, a paisley, जो अम्बी shape होती है, पान के पत्ते की shape होती है. So if you know your basic shape, leaf बनानी है, so again that leaf would be, बस उसको वो flourish करते हैं. Then they, those extensions, थोड़ा सा उसको ornate बनाया जाता है. That's it. I mean, that's nothing specific that you need to keep in mind. Again, go with the flow, take some references, but I would say put your own style to it. So that's primarily.
Yeah, I would say it's basically like doodling. Just take a shape, and then the pattern that you're going to make in that is going to define, is it going to look like Kalamkari, is it going to look like doodling, is it going to look like mandala. So pick your patterns very wisely, and that's where you can bring that style. And
so that's the beauty of these, so that's the beauty of these traditional art forms, कि आप उनसे inspire हो, but then you try and apply it with your own knowledge and then take it forward. I mean, हम लोग उनकी तरह तो craftsmen की तरह तो नहीं कर सकते. They are like beyond comparison what they do, but a little step to make it more recognizable to people like us is something that we can all try to do.
Yeah. And the people who have joined us today, guys, this is something we did for the first time, but we're going to have more sessions like this. So if you want Astha to come back and do one more session on Kalamkari and doodling, today was Doodle a Kalamkari. So if you want to repeat this session, we can do that. Just send us in your messages and we will take care of that. There's a question which I want to ask you, Astha. It's from Sheshta. She's saying where Kalamkari is used, which is a very good question. If you can answer that.
Where is it used? It's mostly done on fabrics. I mean, Kalamkari is a very sought after kind of a print that, people try and, I'm also wearing today one Kalamkari kurta. So it's something that people like to have. It is very natural. It's mostly done on cotton. But आप उसको कहीं पे भी once you know how to do it ना, then there's no limitation. You can use it like I have done. I'll just show you. So this is what I've done on a terracotta plate. So this can be hung on a wall. You can just keep it. You can make a card out of it, a greeting card like the way I did it. So this is just a card. You can write something piche. So there's a lot of applications that you can do in kalamkari. So it's up to you where you.
So guys, we have only 2 minutes left in this session. So thank you so much for joining. If you have more questions, you can send it to Rangsang. They will answer your questions. And Himanshi Balla, thank you for joining us today. Thank you everyone for joining. If you have done anything by looking at our doodles, do tag us in your stories. We'll look forward to see your stories, and tag Doodle Project, tag Rangsang, and we look forward to your creations as well. So for people who have not seen it yet, I'll just show it again. This is what we did today. This is a doodle man that was done, inspired from kalamkari, and then this is what Asa did today. So we're gonna put it on the stories as well. You can see it on our stories, and do send us your love and support there as well. For the next session, if you have anything in mind, do send us what you want us to do. And thank you for joining us today. And just taking the last question, how kalamkari and Madhubani can be differentiated?
See, Madhubani and kalamkari, again, there are two distinct art forms. है वो दोनों traditional art forms India के. Madhubani is done in Mithila, Bihar. This is kalamkari is done down south. So so there is a little similarity वहाँ तक, because they are also using natural पेड़ पौधे जानवर. Similarly यहाँ पर भी Madhubani is also kalamkari is also for that. So
guys,
I think our time is getting up.
The session was 10 seconds. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rohit, for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye,
guys. Take care.